Alright, so today we are going to go over the box method of multiplying binomials. So you can actually use this for multiplying any two quantities together. You just would change the dimensions of your box accordingly. So since this is a binomial, which means it has two terms here, multiplied by a binomial, when I make my box, I'm going to make it a 2 by 2. If I was making, if one of those had 3 things in it, I would make it a 2 by 3. If I had a 1 and a 4, I would make it a 1 by 4. But all we're worried about in this class for summer again is that you can multiply a 2 by 2, so I'm making a 2 by 2 box. Alright, so now I'm going to take my 3x and my negative 4 from the first one, and I'm going to put the 3x here and the negative 4 here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the top with the 2x and the 5. Okay, so it's possible if you learned this during summer school that you had these flipped around in a different order, and that does not make any difference at all. It doesn't make any difference when you're factoring, which we're going to do next. It doesn't make any difference when you're multiplying. Okay, you just want to make sure that one set of parentheses goes on the side, and one set of parentheses goes on either the top or the bottom. So now I'm just going to multiply the two things in each one. So I'm going to multiply 2x by 3x, which is going to give me 6x squared. That goes in that box, because that box has the 2x and the 3x. And then underneath that, I'm going to do 2x times negative 4, which is going to give me negative 8x. And then in the top right, I'm going to do 5 times 3x, which is 15x. And then in the bottom right, I'm going to do 5 times negative 4, which is negative 20. So then I'm going to write all those things in a row out here, plus 15x minus 8x minus 20. And then I'm going to pretend that each different thing has its own kind of elevator it can go on. So x squareds go on their own elevator, so I just have 6 of those. On the x elevator, I go up 15 and down 8, so that's up 7. And then on the number elevator, I just go down 20. And that's my answer. That's it. Easy peasy. You got this. So that's multiplying binomials using the box method. If you like to do it using like the rainbow method or the lobster claw method or anything else you want to call it, go ahead. I do recommend you at least use the box method a few times, because when we switch to factoring, which is again next, it's going to be a lot easier. Alright? That's all I got for you. Good luck.